Look at him, he doesn't know what to do.
Merry Christmas.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I look a little rough right now. Welcome to Vlogmas. I cannot believe it is already December. This is actually insane. This morning I am about to go to yoga at 10:30. It's 9:55, so I'll probably head out in like 10-ish minutes. Yeah, this morning's been really good. I had some tea. It's really nice to take after you have a big meal, or also just to take before bed. Anyways, today's video is going to be me decorating my house for Christmas. My dad brought down all the boxes from our attic, and my mom has been taking everything out of the boxes and putting it on the table. So I'm pretty sure there's still more that we have to get out, but once I get back from yoga, then we will put this all up. You wanna say hi? Come here. Hi, sweet girl.
We could fly a kite with our shoes off.
Today's speakers are these little guys from Nike. I have no idea what they're called, but I will try to put it on
to
the
the races. Watch it fly like a spaceship. You're taking
oh my gosh, look at how
starry-eyed.
Okay, so yesterday I went shopping with two of my friends from school. We went to eat at Flower Child, and then we went to Aritzia, and oh my gosh, you guys, Aritzia had the cutest things. First thing we're gonna do, about to start decorating the tree. This is what I'm gonna use first. It's like these little candy cane felt things that we just wrap around, and there's a bunch of them, so it should ultimately cover the whole tree. I'm not that tall though, so my dad might need to help me, but I do want to get a head start on that before we hang up any other ornaments. Alright, these are all of our ornaments, and we also got a couple more. Okay, I'm taking a break and drinking lemon water. Thanks, Mom, for making that. I've been drinking a lot of this lately. I bought like a whole bag of lemons at the grocery store, and I just cut it up and put it in my water, and it tastes really, really good. Also, the tree is coming together. I have a lot more things that I have to do. We just bought a couple of ornaments, so I need to put those out after I put all these up on the tree. All right, so in yesterday's vlog, which you guys would have seen, we got all these ornaments, so we're gonna hang it up right now. I just need to take them out of the box. I finished all the ornaments, and now what we have to do left is the fillers. Also, I broke an ornament. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put in fillers. These are life-changing. It's like literally fake. You just stick it inside the tree, and you can spread it out however you want. Before I put the star on the tree, I'm gonna put in these Christmas scented ornaments. They're called sensicles. Basically, they make your tree smell very good. Our flavor is fresh cut Christmas trees, so our house is gonna smell like a Christmas tree. I don't think we've ever done a real Christmas tree. We always do this one from Costco. It's like really, really good, and we love it, but we've never done a real one, so we don't have that real Christmas tree smell, and that's kind of what you get whenever you use these. So oh, they smell so good. I'm just gonna stick these like randomly in the tree, and you like can't even tell that they're in there. So my mom is gonna decorate her own tree, which is this birch one right here. It lights up and it's really, really pretty. But she's gonna put her Wedgwood on there, and then a bunch of special sentimental ornaments, like there's Catherine and I. But yeah, this one's gonna look a lot more fancy.
It's one of my first ornaments I bought at Tiffany, but I'm so heartbroken. One of the tips of the star chipped and broke right here. But I still hang it.
Is it on the table? All right, we are going to set up the nativity scene now.
We can't put baby Jesus out until February 25th.
But my mom refuses to put baby Jesus out until December 25th. Look at this DIY tree my mom just made.
But I need Dad to come home and cut this so we can make it shorter.
Who's this?
That's Joseph.
This looks a little scary. Right here, I'm gonna put the pink tree and then an angel. I want to talk to you.
Not now, later.
No, now.
You never wanna pick up. You never wanna do the things that are
This is going in the trash.
Oh.
convenient. You say you're gonna pull up, but
Okay, you wanna put the star on the tree?
Our work is done, yes.
Your work is not done. This is what the birch tree looks like. All of my mom's ornaments that she wanted are on here. I think it looks really, really good. Did anything else get added? Well, up here we have a sign that says making spirits bright and then a Christmas tree. This is also new. Christmas music. I took a shower, but I have to show you guys this book. It has like our family photos and it goes all the way back from when I was little. You guys, look at this. I actually look like a boy. Ew. Oh my gosh, ew. And I think that's where we left off. Yeah. Dad's gonna put the star on the tree. Don't fall. And don't break any ornaments. A little bit that way.
This way?
I'll call you tomorrow, okay?
Yeah, straight.
That's good.
Yay!
I'll sing all the season.